How to delete all Google search history. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up any web browser on a device. Now simply tap on the source icon. Now type myactivity.google.com. Now once you're done, simply tap on source icon. Again scroll down. Now tap on web and app activity. Again scroll down. Now tap on manage all web and app activity. Now wait for some time. Again on this page simply scroll down. Now tap on delete. Now select your date range. Now tap on delete. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.